up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel here. If you're already subscribed to the channel, welcome back, welcome back. If you're new to this face, why don't you go ahead and join my beautiful babe brigade simply by hitting the subscribe button and tapping that post notification bell, and that way you'll be in the know when I got something good for you. And that's all the time, beautiful babes. I love what I do, and I do what I love. Hold on, your girl got to she needed a little gloss on the lips, and you know you can use you some castor oil for that, right? Yes, honey. Moisturize the lips as well. I'll have the link below. This is from SVA Organics, and it is good for the lips, moisturizing them as well. See, I just finished washing my face, and in cleansing my face, you know, I have to go in deep sometimes, and this morning I did go ahead and use my Radiance Spin Care by Duval. They're so cute, they're so wonderful, and I love the brush heads on these. They're so gentle on the face. I have mature skin, and I don't want anything pulling, tugging, and very abrasive on it. So this brush is perfect for me. I love it so much. But again, be on the lookout for that. But now that my face is all cleansed, man, I got a doozy for you today. I have a wonderful mask, and I know a lot of people beat me up about whitening mask, brightening mask, lightening mask. I know we're not trying to get rid of our melanin. No, this is just that extra pigmentation that this mask is going to help today. Now, it's not just for your face. It's not just for your neck. You can use this on your arms, your legs, your inner thighs, underarms. This is a wonderful treatment. This is a wonderful treatment for all over the body. I don't want to delay it because I know you want to know exactly what it is. So let's get the party started right now. So today, beautiful babes, I am going to share with you my natural skin mask. This can be used on your face, neck, or body. It's cheap and easy and effective if you're looking at lightening some pigmented areas on your skin. This will work for you. You don't have to apply it all over, just in those areas where you need lightening it. Let me introduce to you my milk powder and rice flour treatment. This treatment will soothe and moisturize your skin so much. Now, you may have gone on vacation and have sunburnt skin. This is going to help brighten your skin back to its original color. Now, the ingredients in this wonderful rice and milk mask are rice flour. Rice can help your skin look youthful and translucent. Rice contains a high concentration of PABA, which is para-amino-benzoic acid, and it's a very good sunscreen. It soothes sunburned skin and also promotes the skin's repair. And it's an antioxidant as well. And I'll also be making use of whole milk powder. Milk, when applied topically, the lactic acid in milk will gradually reduce the skin's pigmentation, resulting in a lighter complexion. Did you know Cleopatra bathed in milk to whiten her skin? And milk also softens the skin too. Using milk as a skin mask makes it feel so good. Then we're also going to be mixing in olive oil. Olive oil is being added to add moisture to your skin. And finally, I'll also be making use of rose water. Rose water will restore the pH balance in your skin. So let's get started mixing up this wonderful mask treatment. Rice flour, whole milk, olive oil, and rose water. Taking 3 tablespoons of the whole milk powder, taking 5 tablespoons of the rice flour. Let's just mix our dry ingredients together. Now, if you have oily skin, you can leave the olive oil out of this mixture, but since my skin typically is quite dry, in the cool months, I do use the olive oil. So I'm just going to mix in about 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. If you have oily skin, all you'll need to do is add in rose water. But for the rest of us, we're taking the olive oil and the rose water and mix it into a nice paste. You can also use just water from your hydrant, or you can also use distilled water as well. Now I'm taking my time and adding the rose water because I don't want it to be too thin. And I believe that's perfect. Now I stirred this until it became a nice thick paste. Perfect. Now just apply this to the areas that you want to lighten. And this is it, y'all. Let's go ahead and apply it. I'm going to apply it to my face. It has a kind of tightening effect as well on the face. Now you can apply this to your hands and your legs, inner thighs, wherever you need to lighten pigmented areas at. And to moisturize my hands, I love to use this Amla Fruit Oil by SVA Organics. It is excellent to prevent dry skin and even dry scalp. It absorbs quickly with a non-greasy feeling. Now don't forget, other areas of your body needs attention too, so this is perfect for that as well. Now I'm just going to keep this on until the mask actually dries, and it's going to be super tight on your skin. And this is going to be great, especially those with oily skin. If you leave the olive oil out, it's going to help with sebum overproduction, and it's also going to be great for blackheads. Now once the mask dries, which is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes, rinse it off in the shower as normal. If you're applying this to your body, leave it on for about 30 minutes for the whitening effect to take place. But for your face, I only recommend 10 to 15 minutes because it's going to get super tight. And you can do this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. And now, check out my skin. It looks fresh after this natural whitening treatment. Whole milk and rice flour, olive oil, and rose water. My complexion looks flawless without makeup. I'm not ashamed to go out without makeup. Skin maintenance is so very important, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Now, you go on and make your own. Everything that you need, you'll find in the kitchen. So easy. Now, as for the rest of this, I'm going to take it and use it on my inner thighs, or before I get in the shower, I am going to go ahead and massage this into my inner thighs and let it sit for 30 more minutes. I want to go ahead and rinse off the majority of this, and then I'll do the rest of it in the shower once my treatment on my inner thighs dry and I've rinsed that off as well. Now, as far as the leftovers, not recommended that you keep them because they're going to dry up completely, so you'll need to restart. Again, you can do this 2 to 3 times a week. Now that mine has semi-dried, let me go ahead and get mine rinsed off, and I'll be back after I complete my shower. Wow, that is so nice. Oh my. Oh yeah. Loving that. Now this is a must try, y'all. This is one you gotta check out, for real. See my skin? Wow. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. Give me just a moment. Let me go ahead and moisturize my face. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. I just wanted to go ahead and put on my serum and my moisturizer and let that absorb, since my skin had just freshly been rinsed off and so forth, and just soaking that goodness. So I am so thrilled with this mask treatment. Done it before, knew it worked fine, and yeah, woo, girl. Anywho, I don't have to say nothing, just look at the skin. That is it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for popping in again. If you have not subscribed, you need to be here. You need to be here. You need to be here. Period. Pooh. Yes. All right, beautiful babes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Drop me some hearts down in the comment section if you loved what happened today. And beautiful babes, I will see you on the next video, but don't forget to tell everybody where you're hanging out at. So please share your girl with your world. I'll see you over there.